Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we're going to perform maintenance on the water heater. First thing we're going to do, we're going to connect water hose to this outlet right here and drain some water. The reason we're draining it because the water on the bottom of the water heater will have debris, calcium deposits and all kind of dirt. We're going to use channel locks to tighten it up, and the screwdriver to open the water. All the tools you can find on the bottom of the video in the description. Second thing we need to check is this TPR valve. It's temperature and pressure relief valve. You can feel that pipe getting hot. That means it's working. At this point we need to shut off the water. If you have any kind of recirculation pump or any kind of devices connected to the water heater, unplug them as well. Shut off the gas and drain the water heater. The first time we drained, it was under the pressure, so we'll wash out all the debris under pressure. Now that we shut off the water, we drain the water heater with the supply valve shut off. So it drains more easily. You open TPR valve and you'll hear the air going in. Using 1 11/16 deep well socket, we are taking out the anode rod. We're using breaker bar because it doesn't want to come out. And we use needle nose to take that old anode rod out of the water heater. You can see how much stuff is on it. And this water heater was installed about 2 years ago. You can see how much calcium and rust on the old anode. That's why we're changing it. The anode protects the water heater from calcium and rust. So this thing rusts first before the water heater tank is. I'm going to put some Teflon tape on the thread. We're going to use the towel to clean the threads inside. Install a new anode rod into the opening of the water heater. Sometimes you don't have enough overhead clearance for if the water heater is installed in the garage or somewhere in the closet. For this situation, you're gonna use the anode rod that come in the sections, and you'll see it in the link below. Nice and tight. By this time, our water heater almost empty. As far as maintenance goes on your gas water heater or electric water heater for that matter, you should drain the water heater, disconnect it and drain it once a year, and change the anode rod once every 2 years. Some areas get hard water like we do. It looks nasty. And in some areas you will have better water, and once you take out the anode rod you'll see in what shape it is. Okay, now the water heater is drained. You close this valve over here. You close this TPR valve. You open this supply line. It's going to take a minute to fill the water heater. It's 50 gallons. We can start by igniting it back to normal. We're going to open the gas. We're going to put it on the pilot lighting. You can see the pilot light is on. You hold it for a second. Once you let it go, pilot light is on. Put it in on position, and we adjust it to, in my case, B. So double check, gas is on, heater is on, this is closed, we can disconnect the hose. No leak, TPR valve is closed, water supply is on, I can hear it's already full. We can connect back to pump. Let's go check the water. The water is still not hot. You also might have air in the system, so air coming out from the faucet is normal. The preventative maintenance is very important. It prolongs the life of the water heater. If you already have a water heater problem and you need to replace it, check out our video how to replace the water heater. Thank you for watching. Please share our video and subscribe to our channel.